Here's an overview of the 3dverse console and its key features. Let's create our first project. The template projects made available to you are meant to kickstart your development. Feel free to explore them to see what 3dverse is capable of. For this introduction, I will be using the cube template to keep things simple. Simply pick a name and your 3dverse project will be created. The project is the basis of your 3D product. Upon creating a project, you will receive specific instructions based on the selected template to guide you in its intended usage. This page is always available through the Get Started link in the console navigation. The Get Started section is inviting you to launch the main scene for your project. The scene is where your 3D content comes into play. Scenes can be loaded and modified in the 3dverse editor. And sure enough, here is our cube. The scene we loaded can be found in the asset browser. This is where you'll be managing your scenes as well as other types of assets. More scenes and assets can be added from the asset browser by clicking New and Create Asset. On 3dverse, 3D rendering is live in the cloud, as revealed by the Sessions page. Launching our scene in the editor has opened a rendering session. From here, it's possible to view and join existing sessions. Indeed, sessions are more than just rendering. Sessions are multi-user. For example, multiple users could join a live session to collaborate on a 3D scene, or they could be having any live interactions your platform enables. To circle back to the Get Started page for your project, building your own platform on top of 3dverse is what you're invited to do. For your own product to be able to leverage our cloud rendering and live 3D sessions, tokens need to be used. Featured on your Get Started page is the public token. The public token provides read-only permissions and is meant to be shipped with your project. It enables clients to connect to live interactive sessions. However, it cannot be used to make permanent changes to your scenes or assets, keeping your project files safe. Should you need to manage your assets through your own platform, an API key can be created. The API key has the same functionality as the public token, but also gives you full access to the asset API. Your API key should be kept private and restricted to your own infrastructure only. Should your users need asset management privileges, user tokens can be generated through the asset API. User tokens have varying levels of permissions that can be decided on a per folder basis. Our various APIs and access methods are designed to ensure all your requirements are met, giving you the flexibility to create your own product powered by our platform. Having your project on 3dverse means you can shift your efforts away from tech to focus on your 3D content and business use case. Our live sessions and scene editor enable collaboration like never before. Our asset manager and APIs give you full control over your product, ensuring fast development of rich 3D features and functionalities.